Hello, class. So normally this is a reading that we would read from our textbook, but I thought for today's lesson I would just read it out loud for us. And we actually already did this getting ready section in the previous slide in the Nearpod, so let's start here. Machines are all around you. For thousands of years, people have invented machines to make their work easier. What machines have you used today? A bicycle is a machine that helps you move without walking. A washing machine washes your clothes. A dishwasher washes your dishes. Everyday machines make your life easier. You do not even see most of the machines you rely on each day. When you shower, a machine called a water pump lifts water so that it will pour onto your head. A machine called a generator produces electricity that flows to your house. A machine called a flour mill grinds grain into flour that is used to make bread. Even though these machines do things for you, they do not work on their own. A bicycle will not move unless you push on the pedals. A car will not go without fuel. A washing machine will not wash clothes without electricity. Every machine needs something to make it work.